Today we will explain a lesson of algebra, the square root. This sign is a sign of square root. What's the meaning of the square root of 36? That means that I want to get the number that multiply itself, the result will be 36. So the square root of 36 equal 6 or negative 6, because 6 by 6 equal 36 and negative 6 multiply negative 6 equal 36 also, because negative by negative equal positive. But take care, when we write the square root as a sign, not as a word like this, here I want to write the positive one. The square root of 36 here equal 6, but negative square root of 36 equal negative 6. Okay, it's very important. I know that when you write the number with the square root on the calculator, the result will appear immediately. But we must understand the concept of the square root. Because what shall we do when the number gets as a simple like this? The square root of a square. A square means a multiply a. So the square root of a square equal a. And the negative square root of a square equal negative a. Okay, as another example, the square root of x power 8. X power 8 equal x power 4 multiply x power 4. When we multiply the like algebraic term, we adding the power. Okay, so the square root of x power 8 equal x power 4, the positive one. Another one. Find the square root of a power 10 and b power 4. Negative. Negative because I want the negative 1. A power 5 and b power 2. Okay, when you want to get the square root of algebraic term by a power, divide the power by 2. Okay, let's answer some exercises on the active board. Okay, look at this. Find each of the following in simplest form. Square root of 36, okay, equals 6 because I want the positive one. But the square root of 16 over 25, I want the negative 1 equal negative, the square root of 16 equal 4, and the square root of 25 equal 5. Another one, take this. The square root of negative 0.25, you have to convert this decimal number into fraction by calculator. Never mind, equal, okay, 25 over 100. The square root of 25 equal 5, and the square root of 100 equal 10, and not forget to write the sign of negative. Okay, look at this. The square of 100 minus 36. 100 minus 36 equal 64, and the square root of 64 equal 8, and I want to write the positive 1. Okay, let's answer some application of this lesson. It's very simple, very, very simple. Okay. Look at this. A square whose area equal the area of triangle whose base length is 16 and corresponding height equal 8. Area of a square equal area of triangle. Okay, we have to get the area of triangle at the first. Do you remember the rule of area of triangle? Area of triangle, area of triangle equal half multiply base multiply height equal half multiply the base is 16 and height equal 8 okay equal 64 centimeter square. Find the side length of this square. He told us that the area of this square equals the area of this triangle. So when I want to get the side of a square, I must put the area under the square root. So the side of a square equal the square root of its area equal 64 because the area is equal, because area of triangle equal the area of this square equal 8 centimeter. Another one. It's a very simple lesson. You can answer it by calculator, but understand the concept at the first. Okay, another one. The last one. Okay, the area of a square is 1.44 centimeter square. Find its perimeter. We have to get at the first the side of the square. How? The side of a square, the square root of its area equal the square root of 1.44. Convert this decimal into fraction equal 144 over 100 equal over 10 equal 1.2 centimeter. So when I want to get the perimeter of a square side by 4, 1.2 multiply 4 equal 4.8 centimeter, and that's all. Please solve page 13 in the booklet as a practicing. Okay, page 13 in the booklet, and thank you very much.